What is up, YouTube family, and welcome to the Thanksgiving edition of Cooking is Amazing. I'm Eddie Dodgen. Today, we're putting a turkey out on the smoker. We did a brine. You can check out that video. I'll have a description in the bottom, and I'll also put up a little card right up here on the top. Go check out our brine recipe to see how we got our turkey to this point. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get this turkey out of the brine, and we're going to inject it. Once we get it injected and it's sitting and marinating good with that injection, we're going to take it, we're going to put it out on the smoker, and we're going to smoke it today. Stick with us, it's going to be fun. Alright folks, we're ready to start injecting this turkey. I'm going to bring y'all in up tight. We're going to be using our own injection. I normally like to use Tony Chaudhry's Creole butter, but they did not have it at the supermarket, so I've had to make my own. I've got apple juice, I've got apple cider vinegar, and I've got the Creole seasoning all in there. And then I'm going to actually take butter and put it all up under the skin as far as I can, and then we're going to start injecting. So after all the injections done, then we're going to put a little Everglades on it. We're going to put Everglades Fish and Chicken, and then we're going to put a little bit of just regular Everglades on it. So I'm going to bring y'all in up tight. Alright, let's start with the butter. You know, as always, you want to kind of take your finger up here and just as far as you can. You don't want to rip the skin. Remember, they have that internal thermometer right there. As you see the hole, I do not want to rip that skin, so I'm just going to be nice and easy. As you can see, the bird came ripped, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to do something about that. And I have an idea. I think it's going to work out great. I'll show you all once we get it all seasoned up. Just put it in my hand, lift up, and I just rub that butter all in there. I know it's not a lot of butter, but I just want a little bit in there because, I mean, we're gonna inject the bird. So it's gonna have moisture in there to keep it nice and moist. So now I got the inside done. I'm just gonna put a coat on right over the outside of the whole bird. And I like using the Parquet squeeze butter like this instead of, you know, just regular stick of butter or tub butter, because I mean, you can see it's kind of runny, but it goes on nice and easy. There we go. Now, just poke and inject. Get those legs good. Get down there in those thighs. Alright, we got the bird injected. Now it's time to season it. And this again is Everglades Fish and Chicken. I watched a YouTube channel, Deer Meat for Dinner, and I'll put a link to their description below. In the description below, I'll put a link to their page as well. Y'all need to go check them out, they're great. But this, Rob uses this all the time on his channel. The Everglades, the regular seasoning, the fish and chicken, the cactus dust, they have so many different ones. So I had to try it. I went and bought it, and oh my God, it is amazing. Alright. Now, for Everglades Original, I'm not going to put a lot of this on here, just a little light sprinkling. Now, just rub that all in good. And again, this is the Everglades Fish and Chicken. If I can find a link for it down on Amazon, I will. But you may have to get this from you may have to get this straight off the website. But I'll check and see. Either way, I'll find something for you. Even if I have to send you over to Deer Meat for Dinner, I'm sure they've got a link on it. Either way, look in the description below for it and it'll be there. Alright, we're done. Now, it's time to get the smoker going and get this bird out on the smoker. wanted to, before I realized that my battery had died on my camera. So unfortunately you didn't get to see all that, but I'll do another video later because I'm doing another turkey next week. I'll do another video on how to carve that turkey so that, you know, at your Thanksgiving you'll be able to see it a little better on the carving and everything. Now it's time to do our presentation for our bird. What little bit of white meat and dark meat there was left on the carcass I have peeled off and put in here already. I want that meat on the bottom because at the end I'm going to take the drumsticks and the two breasts and put them right on top. They're going to be ready to eat, but I want them on top for my presentation. So I'm going to bring you all in a little closer and let y'all see all that. So let's get started. So basically all we're going to do is reach in here. And we're going to have the right knife here and just take it away from the bone. I go in here with my fingers and I just sit here and pull that meat, what's left right there off that bone. And I don't throw these bones away, even the carcass there. I'm going to use that to make a turkey stock with. This bird is so juicy. Now just put all that on the bottom. Just make a bed of that dark meat. We're going to put those two turkey legs right on top of it. And folks, by the way, if there's anything y'all are interested in, you want for yourself in your kitchen, whatever, I'm going to have a link in the description box below for any of these products. Now for the wings. Pull apart. Alright folks, well that's going to do it for the turkey. As you can see, we're done. We've got it all in the pan ready to go for the gathering today. The sun's starting to come up, so I'm a little tired. I've still got some stuff I got to get done. Hopefully catch a little power nap before we go. But anyways, let's go ahead and give this bird a taste. I'm sorry and I apologize for y'all not getting to see the carving process of this bird. I turned the camera on, I went to carving it, and I focused on that and did not realize my battery died on my camera. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the little presentation I did here. I'm going to be cooking another turkey next week. I'll be more than happy to do another carving presentation if you would like that. If so, just give me a comment below if you'd like to see how I carve up a bird so that I can present it like this. Be more than happy to put one out for y'all. So let's go ahead and taste this bird. I got a piece of the white meat first. That's so good. That injection is there. The taste of Everglades, the citrus that was on the outside on the skin. Flavors are just everywhere. Man, that's good. Wow. Piece of dark meat. I think that's going to be the hit of today's gathering. That's delicious. Well, folks, as always, my recipes are going to be in the description. There's going to be a link in the description below to my website. You can get any recipe that I create there. I put them all on my website. They're downloadable in a PDF format. Also, any of the products that I use, that you see me use throughout the shows, the knives, anything, there's also a link down below for all of that stuff. Feel free to click, check out the reviews. You do not have to purchase anything, just check them out. But I want to thank y'all for joining. Hit that subscribe button over here, the little red one down there in the corner. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified every time we put out a new video. And as always, from my family to yours, we love you. God bless.